Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today, we learn the difference between how much and how many. These two questions help us ask about quantity in English. Knowing when to use each one is very important for good grammar. Here is the basic rule. Use how many with countable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count like 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Use how much with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count individually like water, money, or time. Countable nouns take how many. For example, how many apples, how many books, how many people? These are all things you can count one by one. Apples can be 1 apple, 2 apples. Books can be 1 book, 2 books. People can be 1 person, 2 people. Uncountable nouns take how much. For example, how much water, how much money, how much time? Water is measured, not counted. Money is measured in amount. Time is measured in hours or minutes, but we say how much time. Let us test what you learned. Correct questions are how many apples, how much water, how many books. Wrong questions are how much apples, how many water, how much books. Always match how many with countable nouns and how much with uncountable nouns. In real life, we ask how many books do you have? How many students are in class? How many days in a week? And how much water do you drink? How much money do you need? Remember, use how many when you can count the items individually. Now practice. How much sugar do you want in your coffee? Sugar cannot be counted. How many students are in the classroom? Students can be counted. How much time do we have left? Time is uncountable. Think if you can count it one by one. Here are the core rules to remember. Use how many with countable nouns like books, apples, people. Use how much with uncountable nouns like water, money, sugar. Countable means you can count each one separately. Uncountable means measured by amount or mass.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.